And this helps with the walk to give the motion a smoother movement. So we're going to apply it to the path and align the head. Make sure we end at 120 frames and we'll click OK. I noticed that in some of the leg movements the legs appear to be a little bit better, and the IK that we had on the assigned to the legs only affected the legs and the hip, and so we smoothed out some of that animation. There are also preset walks in the Walk Designer folder. You'll see that as we scroll through this, we have a number of presets that we can apply just by double clicking on any one of these, and these will apply to the characters. In the corner, the upper corner here, you'll see the number of frames for each animation. 30 frames, which is 1 second.